Welcome to Lolly's Bag YouTube channel, where bag making is made easy. In today's video, we'll be making this simple zipper purse. So I'll be giving you a step-by-step video on how to make this purse. Alright, let's get started. So I fold the material into two. For the measurement, the length is 7 inches and the breadth is 9 inches. So let me just use the clip to clip it like this. So measure 1.5 inches like this by 1.5 inch. So now we just roll it. Now measure 1 inch and then we connect it together like this. Make sure you connect it like this. So repeat the same for this other side. We connect this together like this. Now we cut. So I already fixed the zip head to the zipper close. So place it like this. Then we stitch. When you're done stitching, we'll fold it like this and top stitch. So after that, we'll place the zipper like this. Then we stitch. When you draw, we open it up and then we'll fold it this way. Then top stitch. So we're through with that. We zip it back like this. Make sure you're careful so the zipper head won't fall off. And then we cut out the excess zipper cloth. So we're using this 7 inches for the handle. We fix it like this inside the purse and then we stitch it. So I already stitched the both side. We'll fold it like this and we stitch. Repeat the same thing for this side. So now we turn it to the right side. So our purse is ready. Leave a lovely comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.